Whoa, guys, let me tell you something. Spice, what make you do it? Spice, what make you do it? Me say me lay down here watch Lover Hip Hop. And me go see, cause Lover Hip Hop start back Tuesday. And me go see Spice a ball when she go boot camp. She want let out whatever go on with her. And when me tell you say the part when Spice we hit her when she talk about what happened to her. Like she don't really speak about it, but she says like every day she feel like say she not go make it, like she not go live. And when she say, the part was sad is when she say she cover it up because she don't want her children them to know how she feel. She feel like she got died every day. Every morning she wake up, she feel that way. That is so hard because she don't want her kids them to go through what she go through. She miss her father. Her father died when she was a young girl, and she love her father. And she think about her kids them, knowing that they're so young, not having a father or a mother, whichever. I mean, I know how the father situation go. But she always says she's a single mother with her children, taking care of her children them. So I'm just saying what she said, and knowing that she feel that way and I go through that way and know she living on hurt. It is a hard thing for go through, Me say, me ball, cause me buy Love and Hip Hop, me pay for it for Amazon Prime. I have Amazon Prime on TV when I watch unlimited movie because I no bother with cable. I mean, it's not a TV person. I choose my things. I have Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime. So I can watch any show I want to watch. I mean, have me, what you call that? My antenna when me hook up on the TV and I can get the local channel them. If me want to watch the news or something, but cable no make no sense. Nobody in the house no watch TV like that. They have them special show where they watch. So me no bother with the cable. So Amazon Prime, if I something, even though I have Amazon Prime, I still have to buy because a new season, so I have to pay for it. It now go give me free per Amazon Prime right away. When the season done, it will come up free, but I have to pay for it. I'm a pay for it because I want to watch it. And the only reason why I watch Love and Hip Hop is because of Spice. I'm not going to tell them like, I'm not watch no other. I know because of Spice. You see me like for support with people them. I have one video where me do when Spice 10 album just come out. My daughter buy her outfit because she knows I love Spice. Is a Spice fan. And buy her album on Amazon. I've the record, can me that screen record it when me I buy it. So anyways, me just like for support with people. And if we come together as one unity and support, look, the only reason why I buy that is because of Spice. The only reason why me support it is because I want to see how well she do. And she go through a lot. Life not perfect, but if we stood by each other, we can rise above a lot of the things them that is happening around us. And with Jamaican people, are one of the most lovingest people on earth, You didn't know that? They show love. But we need to come together and show each other that love and support. I lay down in my bed this morning and I tell us last night, Spice make me ball got me bed. Me not gonna tell no lie. It's like I couldn't watch nothing more after Love and Hip Hop done. I just one episode. That's the first episode I watch. So Tuesday I come is another episode. But that is just it. It was amazing to tune in. Spice watch it a year time for the past maybe we watch a whole of the season them. Watch all of them. But a Spice will watch it. And Safari, because Safari are part of Jamaican, so I kinda, you know, kinda support them. Yeah, support my people them, man. Me like support the people them. Yeah, you know, I can't do everything, but in any little thing, I could have even forgot watch two of them videos, even over on YouTube, them do them album and so. If we tune in and motivate them and help them, give them positive vibes, sometimes under the video them where you know, help them for grow and push them up, the artists them, the movie actor them, the people them where you see I try, the comedian them, the anybody, you know, um content creator, blogger. I mean, and everybody I go be with and support because some of them really just tearing down people when you know the one them where I try to do the better. Just support them, you know. We need to support we people them so we can rise up some billionaire from down in Jamaica then. Like Rihanna, you know. We need some billionaire to pop up out of Jamaica. Jamaica is a very loving country. It's just that things happen. Things that happen we just need to fix and we need to go up and we need and pray. Like we need prayer warriors for prayer. Even though we don't have prayer warriors, but we need to push out more and pray for our country so things can be better. You know, Jamaica is such a nice island, may I tell you, with so much loving and caring people. More loving and caring people, you know. Not every country I can find good and bad people, but we need to support each other. When we see people are go towards goals and achievements, support one another so that we can grow, so that we can set by example and see make the younger people them see, say we can set by example and grow. You know, we not have to tear down and bring down each other. Set by example because you see good win. If you get up every day and you tear down people, you know, eventually it will caught up with you and it not gonna help. It not gonna work. Eventually it will caught up with you. You live by something, you die by it. You know, if you live by the evil, you shall die by it. So in this life, people just have to be considerate and show caring and loving to each other. I need to call this lady because she messed up with it. Can't find my things them. Anyways, guys, just stop by to tell you how Spice made me very emotional last night. Tears are run out of my eye. Oh shucks. Gone. I get calls.